Hello students, this is Dr. Swapnija from Dr. Omics Labs. In upcoming workshop, we required R software because we are doing hands-on session for R for genomics. So in this session, in this video, I'm going to show how to download R in your system. So you have to be ready with your R before workshop. So let's open browser. So we have to go the site that is posted for the R. Here you will get the link from where we can download RBase and RStudio. So if you click on this, the download RStudio, there are two options like install R and install RStudio. So what exactly the R and RStudio? So R is the R base, and the base often referred as just as a core software environment for R programming language. It also provides the functional tools and the functionalities of R language for statistical computing and graphics. So this R base includes console interface, like we just require to download this. Okay, so here this can directly interact with R by typing the commands, and we can open this basic script editor for writing scripts, for executing some statistical analysis, or creating visualization directly through the console or through the scripts. So there are options like download R for Linux, Mac, and Windows. So according to your operating system which you are using, you have to download the link. So as my system is Windows, I'm going to click on this Windows, and here you will get this base, that is subdirectory, and we'll just click on this base. So the latest version for this R is here, that is R 4.3.2 for Windows. So we have to click on this link. It will download in your folder. When we have download this, okay, let's open. So the exe file will be download. So when you click on that exe file, there will be a message. It's loading. Okay, so do you want to allow this app to make changes to the device? So we have to click on yes. So it will ask the next setup process, that is the set the language, then sign the agreement. Just click on next, and we have to set the path to save the software. So the setup will install this R in Windows. This is the path, that is C drive. By default, it is installed in C itself, but if you want to change the path, you can. But I'll suggest just keep all the tools in C drive. Then click on next. So this is already exist in my system, so I don't want to download again. But for you, you have to click on next and finish. Okay, so okay, I'll just stop this and cancel this. So exit setup. So when you install this, so there is a icon, it will be generate in your desktop. So if you can see, okay, let me show this here. If you click on this icon R, so this is a console for the base. So you can see this is RGUI for 64-bit, and this will. But now we require RStudio, as RStudio is integrated development environment, that is IDE, which is designed to enhance the user experience and workflow when we are working with R. So this also provides user-friendly interface. Like here, you can't see this other panes. In RStudio, you can see there are 4 different panes for interacting and user-friendly interface with all the tools for the script editing, plotting, then debugging, and also workspace management will be there. So making it easier to write, organize, and execute your R code. So let's download the RStudio as well. From the same link we can download here. Just go back. Okay. So you have to download this RStudio for the Windows. So RStudio, which includes a script editor, it includes a console. Also, there is a plot viewer. Then it's having an environment where user can manage their R sessions, their files, and different plots efficiently. So basically, RStudio is used for more feature-rich and interactive interface for working with R. And this also simplifies the process of coding, debugging, and visualizing the result. So we can differentiate like RBase is a core software which allows you to run R code and perform statistical analysis, where this RStudio is integrated development environment that provide a more user-friendly interface with some additional features like enhance your code and analysis process. So it's downloaded. We'll just click on this exe file we have to click. So when it is downloaded, the same process we have to do, like we have to install. So the again in the same, we have to allow this app to make changes to your device. Yes, currently running. So the same steps we have to follow and then finish. And to check whether it is downloaded or not, in search box you can type RStudio here and just open RStudio. So this is the interface of RStudio. Let's open. Okay. So initially you can see here, this is a script area. So if you want to create new script, here there is a sign, that is plus sign for new file. Also you can use shortcut. If I'll right click on this, R script with shortcut control plus shift plus N, you can also create new empty script with this. Let's open this. So this is a first pane, then leftmost, the rightmost there is a console which we have already seen in base. Then here in files, different plots, packages. If you want to take help, you can just click on this help to understand more about any command, any package. Then the presentation. So here you'll get all the files. Here, whatever the command running in the script area, you'll get the environment will be created for this. The previous history we can see here, and we'll see everything in detail in hands-on session. So be ready with R base and R studio before workshop. Okay, thank you.